Meaning of dirndl.
dirndl,
Dirndl.
dirndl,
Dirndl. A dirndl is a traditional dress originated from southern Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. It consists of a tight-fitting bodice, a full skirt, a blouse, and an apron typically worn by women. The dirndl was originally worn as work clothes, but it has become a popular choice for various festive occasions and celebrations, including weddings and festivals. The name dirndl comes from the German word dirn, meaning girl, and it symbolizes the traditional cultural identity of the Alpine region.